Here we have 3 wooden planters that are empty in our backyard, and we need to calculate how much soil or black dirt to buy from the store to fill these 3 planters up. And so using the formula for volume, which is volume equals length times height, and that will give us the amount of space in the box, which we will replace with soil. Beginning with the first and the largest box, and we have volume equals the length 5 feet times the width of 4 feet times the height of 2 feet. And we have 5 times 4 times 2 is 40. And we are dealing with feet, and so our unit of measurement is feet cubed. Now we have to remember we're dealing with 3 dimensions here, so that's what this 3 represents. So this is 40 cubic feet. Now moving on to the middle one. Once again we have our volume formula, length times width times height, and we just substitute the values. And so we have a length of 3 feet, a width of 3 feet, and a height of 2 feet. The volume of this box is 18 feet. Remember, it's feet cubed or cubic feet. And finally, we're going to calculate the capacity volume for the smallest planter. And by substituting the values, we have a length of 2 feet, width of 2 feet, and a height of 2 feet. And we know our volume will then be feet, and that's cubic feet once again. Now we need to determine the total amount of soil that we need to buy. So we're going to just simply add up the 3 boxes. So we have 40 plus 18 plus 8, and that equals 66 cubic feet. So we need 66 cubic feet of soil to fill up all 3 of these boxes. Alright, next we're going to look at how to calculate the volume capacity of a cylinder. We have here is your typical everyday water bottle that you might see around, and we're going to substitute the height, which is 19 centimeters, and the width, which is 8 centimeters, or I should say the diameter of this is 8 centimeters. We're going to substitute those values into our volume formula for a cylinder, which is volume equals pi times the radius squared times the height. So one thing to keep in mind when you're substituting the values in the formula is that the formula is asking for the radius. We don't have the radius given to us, but we know that the radius is always half the diameter. So let's just a little bit of simple math. If we have the diameter of 8 centimeters, we're going to get 4. So we know our radius is 4 centimeters. And that will be squared, and we're going to multiply our height of 19. So on a calculator, we just type in pi times 4 squared times 19 equals, and we get an answer of approximately 955. And if we round to the nearest centimeter, it will be 955. And the units that we are using are centimeters. We have to remember we're dealing with volume, which is always in the 3 dimensions. So our units will be cubed. So the capacity for this water bottle is 955 centimeters cubed. On a quick little side note here, 1 centimeter cubed actually equals 1 milliliter. And